Do you know what is the principle of laser weapon to intercept missiles? You definitely didn't expect it. He mainly relies on burning food to damage the target, but the actual process is much more complicated than simply burning skewers. It is the result of the combined effect of heat, ground, and radiation. Today, Brother Zhang will take stock. First, the burning stone effect of extreme heat damage high energy. Laser data glue quickly converts the energy into heat energy after being absorbed by the material in a very small area of the missile surface, causing the metal or composite material to melt and gasify in a very short time. The gasified material is sprayed outward at high speed, forming pits or perforations on the surface and taking away a lot of heat at the same time. Continuous irradiation can burn through the skin of the nitrogen body, ignite the fuel, or detonate the warhead. This burning process is the most basic way of destroying laser weapons. Second, shockwave effect and mechanical damage. When the material is vaporized and sprayed, a strong reaction force is generated, forming an organic wave inside the nitrogen body, propagating to the back, and after reflection, a stress wave of front and rear pinch is formed, causing the material to crack, tear, or deform the overall structure. Even if it is not completely burned through, it will seriously damage the aerodynamic shape, structure, strength, and flight stability of the missile. Third, radiation effect and secondary damage. High-temperature vaporized materials ionize to form a plasma cloud, which emits ultraviolet rays and F-rays. These high-energy radiation can penetrate gaps or thin layers of materials, burn internal electronic equipment, sensors, and circuits, and cause the guidance system to fail or the warhead to detonate in advance. It belongs to the combination of soft and hard killing. Fourth, the typical scenario of intercepting missiles. In anti-missile operations, laser weapons are usually aimed at key parts such as the missile's seeker, fuel compartment, or warhead. By continuously irradiating for several seconds to tens of seconds, the specific time depends on the power, distance, and nitrogen material. The target structure will fail, lose control, crash, or disintegrate in the air. Now, vehicle-mounted and airborne laser systems have the ability to intercept anti-ship missiles, cruise missiles, and drones, but due to atmospheric exhaustion, weather conditions, and energy supply constraints,